Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Huawei Band 11 and today I'm going to show you how to enable the phone notifications for the smartband on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smartband. So let's get started. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smartband needs to be paired with your smartphone via the Huawei Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Huawei Health application. And here in the app, we can tap on Devices, select our Huawei Band 11. On this page, we need to find the notifications and tap on it. And here you can turn on the notifications by tapping on the switch. If you don't have the required permissions enabled, you will see this pop-up on the screen. Tap on it, then scroll down through this list, find the Huawei Health application, tap on it, tap on the switch next to Allow Notification Access, tap on Allow, and once you allow the notification access for Huawei Health application, you can go back, and now the notifications will be enabled, and you can customize the settings for them. And we have options like mute notifications when using the phone. If you enable this option and the screen on your phone is unlocked, you won't be receiving the notifications on your smartband. If you disable it, you will be receiving them anyway, even though the screen is unlocked. And then we have the list of applications, and you can turn on or off the notifications for them. And how it works is basically, if you enable, let's say, notifications for contacts, and you receive the notification from contacts on your phone, the notification will be also sent to your smartband. If you disable it, it won't be sent to your smartband, you will see it only on your phone. So enable the notifications for the apps you like, and then you can go back. And if you also want to receive the notifications about the calls, SMS, and stuff like that, you will need to close the app for now. Find the Huawei Health application icon, press and hold on it, tap on the info icon to open the app info for the Huawei Health, tap on permissions, and here you will need to allow calendar, call logs, contacts, phone, and SMS. And to allow them, you simply tap on one and tap on allow. And once you allow them, the permission will appear on the list of allowed. And once you have phone, SMS, contacts, call log, calendar, we're good. We can close this. And now you should be able to receive the notifications on your smartband. So let's test it. I'm going to send myself a message on Discord. And we got the notification on our phone. Let's check our smartband. It didn't pop up on our smartband, which is interesting. Let's try again. Oh, this time it worked. So we got the notification on our phone and also on our smartband as well. So it is working now. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for the smartband on the Android phone. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.